This week NASDAQ has risen in value. The price started the week with this bullish candle, a bullish break at about 24,996.69, which I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, targeting the next resistance, which is very close to this area of resistance here, around 25,327. The price the next day make a bearish candle, a small one on a Wednesday, a strong one making a bearish breakout, going below this area of support with a strong wick, but the next on a Thursday the price has cancelled this bearish breakout, making it is invalid one and targeting the next level, which we can see the continuous of the bullish momentum has ended on a Friday by the end of the day. On the weekly time frame, it is still bullish candle. We can see that it is also a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which I have shared in the inside the weekly analysis on the previous week. On the monthly time frame, we can see it is still bullish candle, and as it looks right now, we have one more week and it will be bullish for sure, at least what I can see, what these candles are showing me currently on the market. So for the next week, what I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, making this bullish break at a larger one, and also closing the monthly time frame as a bullish candle. On the weekly time frame, we can see this is a bullish breakout targeting higher price levels, and we can see the next levels are above that 27,389, but there is still smaller resistance level in between, which will be visible here on the lower time frames. Let me check, is there on the 4 hour time? Yeah, there it is. On the 4 hour time frame, I can see that 25,618.69 is the next resistance. So for now, what I can see, the 4 hour time frame has a bullish breakout, which has been confirmed with the next candle, which means targeting higher price levels. So the next target, 25,618, is 69, is the next target, at least what I can see. The 4 hour time frame shows bullish breakout. The daily, it is also showing a small bullish breakout, about 25,327.06. So it is also targeting higher price levels. The weekly time frame shows a bullish breakout. So we have 3 time frames, which are very important ones, showing bullish breakout, indicating further rise in value. So I am concluding that this NASDAQ will continue to rise in value next week and reaching higher price levels. What will be the next target? Let me just confirm, is this the correct level? Just a minute. We'll use Fibonacci expansions. Yeah, this is the next resistance level where I'm seeing that the price will try to reach 25,618.69. This is the target that I'm seeing the price will go. So this is the target for the next week, and I'm expecting that the price will rise in value. So if you would like to receive also the updates during the week, where the price is heading, when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts on the 4 hour time frame or the daily time frame, feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.